So with the one skid, you've got many options as far as adjustability goes. With the Fox Shock, you've got loads of adjustment just at your fingertips. We've got 3 positions of rebound, slow, medium, fast, 3 positions of compression, soft, medium, hard, and also you can really dial in your spring rate using the main chamber and your bottom out resistance with the evol chamber. Always make sure to pump your evol chamber first and your main chamber second. On the skid, you've got the limiter strap. That's also a great option for adjustability. You can really dial in your ski pressure or how much it wheelies, depending on how short or long you go on the strap. You can really dial in the desired height of your kit using the 5 adjustment points on the skid. You can choose the low spindle and the lower position in the skid, and this will lower the entire setup. The new YETI One is the most customizable kit that we have made. We've given you as many options as possible to easily and quickly fine-tune your ride.